Hi, I'm Sarah from sewingmastery.com, and today's the day you are seeing the Husqvarna Viking Designer Epic sewing machine and embroidery machine here and ready to start all the tutorials that we've been doing. And I know a lot of you have been asking, so here they come. They do take a while, so give us time to get working through all the different things about this machine. Now, before I totally get started, I want to just quick mention something. On the quilts behind me, these are samples from our Stitching Cosmos class that we offer at our store. And I'm excited to announce that we are going to be filming this as an online course. Now, it might look like embroidery, but it's not. This course is designed to help you master your sewing machine, and we are going to film one of the courses on a Viking Epic. So watch for that in 2019. We're pretty excited to have that. Of course, we do have our Embroidery Essentials online course already. So if you do want to master your embroidery machine, this course is for you. And I will tell you, we did use also the Viking Epic when we filmed that course, but it is open for all brands of embroidery users. So let me just talk about some of the things that really help the Viking Epic stand out over a lot of the other models in the Husqvarna Viking line. So number one you do notice is how much space is in this machine and the lighting. And when I talk about space and I watch our customers and our students use these machines, I'm watching how much easier it is for them to get their hands in and around the machine. The lighting is spectacular. But when you go to use working at the foot, changing feet, using the automatic needle threader, and when I say automatic, it is actually even more automatic, just a touch of a button and it actually threads the needle for you. If you're embroidering, you just push start. If you're sewing, you just step on the foot control and that presser foot goes down for you. So those are things that I've noticed as people are using these machines. I'm also realizing that when they have a machine that is amazing, they sew more and they embroider more. So if you've been thinking about, is it time to get one of the Viking Designer Epics, I would say don't hesitate. Go for it. It's worth it. I hear every day how much people are enjoying. It also has a Wi-Fi capability, and actually this morning I was getting one of the updates. As I turned it on, it was updating, just like my phone updates. And so new things are added to the machine, and so it's really nice. You don't have to go to the store and get updates. It happens right there. And with the Wi-Fi, that also means that you don't have to always put your designs on a USB stick and then put it into the machine. Now there are still 2 USB ports on the machine and you can still use those, but it is so nice to use the MySewNet cloud to transfer designs from the computer onto the machine, and I'll show you how that is done. It is amazing and it is a time saver. When it comes to the sewing machine and all the accessories, when you open it up, you are going to get a pouch of accessories. I'm going to show you each and every one of those and then show you where you put them in and line them up. This machine actually comes loaded. It comes with a walking foot. It comes with a straight stitch throat plate, which I love for free motion quilting and also for embroidery. So a lot of things that you normally have to buy extra is included with this model, even down to the retractable foot control. So making it really easy and not to be tripping over cords when you're trying to move it around. Stepping over to the embroidery side, you are going to notice that because the machine is so much bigger, you do get to enjoy that extra space with one of the largest hoops available. This comes standard with the machine, and I say that because there are models out there that you have to buy the largest hoop separately. And I'm like, okay, well, this machine it comes with. So this is a 360 by 260 hoop. So that relates to about 14 inches tall and 10 inches wide. So if you've been looking for some of those embroidery blocks that are in that 9 and 10 inch range and haven't been able to do those, now you can. So this machine comes with 3 hoops. This is probably the one I use the most just because it's a little bit smaller and most of my designs I'm doing are not that big. But believe me, when I need this, this is the one I go for. If I'm doing a lot of designs in one hoop, I'm going to put the bigger hoop on. But this one is going to be an 8-inch by 10-inch size space. That 260 by 200 is nice. And don't forget, it always comes with the 5x5 hoop or 120 by 120. So I can't wait to get in and show you all the amazing things that the Viking Designer Epic can do. And there are things, and don't forget, there are a lot of videos actually already in the machine. So I want you to know that I'll be referring to those. And throughout these videos, from time to time, I'm going to point in this upper right corner of your YouTube screen, and there's going to be a little eye that pops out. If there's a pop out, that means that there's a video that we have also done that will relate to another bit of information. So for example, usually when I'm showing how to do buttonholes, we'll link over to the video that will do how to sew the buttons on. So you see how they'll connect together. So I'm so excited that you are going to join us through these free tutorials, but below the description of this YouTube video, we have other links that you'll be interested in. We'll link over to the Embroidery Essentials online course. And again, if you want to sign up at sewingmastery.com to get emails, say when that Stitching Cosmos class comes out, and how you can get signed up and join us there. And we do have a Sewing Mastery Facebook page that you're welcome to share your comments and things that you have appreciated learning about your machine, whether it's this machine or one of our other brands that we have done. We are a Bernina store, so we do have many videos on Berninas, and also now a FOF store as well. So we have tutorials on those, and a few brothers and singers to boot. So thanks so much. We will see you. There is a ton of videos that we're going to do, so just be patient as we get through all of them and enjoy. So we'll see you soon. You're going to love this machine.